Okie dokie. I want to make a better video on how to edit, and I don't know if I can do this with one hand on the camera, but what we do is we click the frame that we want to, remove the stand on, and we go here to mask our background so that when we do erase all of the stand here, you'll see nothing but the background. After that, I am going to move the picture up so I can see the bottom. And here's the magic. We just go here and erase. You have to be very careful not to erase whatever is on the stand. You just want to erase the stand. But once you release the stand, erase, my bad, not whatever crap I just said there. But once you do that, bam. And lighting is very important, because when I'm done, you will see that there is a bit of shadows here and there. And with my current editing software, I can't really get rid of that unless I erase all around the jet. But little by little, just around his feet here. I don't know if I did get in his feet. I was watching the camera, seeing what the camera sees. Voila. And jet's way over here now. And with this background, it's a little hard to tell where the stand is, because everything is pretty much black. But I can figure out where it is pretty easily. And then I just go back and reveal it. See if it looks good or not. Yeah, it looks good.